Hope you guys are doing well. In this video I'm going to tell you about Fiverr app, that how you can use Fiverr app in your mobile phone. So let's start. So first of all, you have to install the Fiverr app, then open it. I have installed this. After opening this, you are going to see some interface like this. So here I'm going to show you the basics of the Fiverr app. So first of all, here you will see the basic analytics, that your response rate and your order completion time, on time delivery, positive rating, and some other details too. And available for withdrawal, earning in December, and all the things. As you can see, these are the basic options you can see here. Being a seller, you will see these options. After that, inbox section, you are going to see the chats you have contacted with clients, or clients with contacted with you. After that, here you will see the order section. In order section, you will see the all details, how many orders you have completed, and how many orders are remaining, and how many orders are cancelled, and all. After that, in this section, you will see the options related to your profile. In your you can check your earning, you can share your gig, you can check your profile too. Here you will see the profile, and these are the basic profile details. And here you will see the gigs, how many gigs you have, and all details related to your gig. And in the reviews section, you will see the reviews which can give by a client to you. These are the basic options you can check in your Fiverr app. And here you will click, you will see your profile options, same options, gig and reviews and all. So these are the basic options. This is the basic app, you can use it for your use. So I hope you understand this video. See you in the next video.